Today I'm going to teach you how to autofill the same text in a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to replicate the same information across multiple fields in your form, saving you time and ensuring consistency throughout your document. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to your recent files section where you'll find the PDF form you want to work with. Go ahead and select that file to open it. Now, take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find various tools available in Adobe Acrobat. Click on All Tools to expand the menu, then click on View More to see additional options. This will reveal the full range of tools you can use to customize your PDF. From these tools, look for the one labeled Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed to help you create and edit form fields in your PDF document. Once you've selected it, click on Create Form to begin setting up your form fields. In the left panel, you'll see different field types you can add to your form. Click on Text Field, which allows you to create areas where text can be entered. Now, place your first text field anywhere on the document where you want it to appear. This is where your first piece of text will go. Next, add another text field by clicking on Text Field again. You can place this second field right beside the first one or position it anywhere else on the page, depending on your form's layout. The key here is that we're going to link these two fields together so they display the same text. Now, in the left toolbar, locate and click on the Select Text icon. This tool allows you to interact with the text fields you've just created. Right-click on the first text field you added, and from the menu that appears, select Rename Field. A text field will appear where you can type a name. Go ahead and type something like Text1, then click outside the field to save it automatically. Repeat this process with the second text field. Right-click on it, select Rename Field, and type the exact same name you used for the first field, which in this case is Text1. This is the crucial step that links the two fields together. By giving them identical names, Adobe Acrobat will automatically synchronize any text entered in one field to appear in the other. To test that this functionality works correctly, click the Preview button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This mode allows you to interact with your form as if you were filling it out. Type some text into the first field and hit Enter. You should immediately see that same text automatically appear in the second text field. This confirms that your autofill setup is working perfectly. Once you've verified everything is functioning as expected, click Exit Preview in the upper right to return to the editing view. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right to preserve all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up autofill for text fields in your PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.